Peace and love. What's that? Oh, you want in on this? Okay, hold on. Peace and love to everybody. Today's ride is going to take us into Horseshoe Bay. We're going to take a ferry to Bowen Island. We're going to explore the island with our motorcycles and the drones. Traveling east to west on Highway 1 from Vancouver, take exit 3 to Horseshoe Bay ferries and stay in the right-hand lane. After you pay for your ferry ticket, you'll be directed to which lane to take. Always the Bowen Island lanes are under the terminal here, the last few lanes. And as it is for every ferry ride, motorcycles get to go to the very front of the line. Always. First on, first off. The ferry ride to Bowen Island is 20 minutes. I didn't like the settings I used for the ferry ride to get there, so this is actually the ferry ride from Bowen Island back to Horseshoe Bay. So it's exactly this ride, except exactly the opposite. 20 minutes later, we're ready to explore Bowen Island. Before we begin our exploration of Bowen Island, I'm going to give you a quick aerial view of the entire island. As a point of reference, I'll let you know the third launch of our drone is right from here, inside of Snugs Bay. First drone launch of the day will come at the far end of the island there. It's called Seymour Landing. It's just on the other side of the mountain. Our second launch of the day will come at the opposite end of the island at that top point there called Kate's Bay. Alright, let's cruise the island, see what kind of roads we got. The roads on Bowen Island just abruptly end with no warning of any kind at all. So just on the other side of this ridge is Seymour's Landing, and I launched the drone. So a baby deer runs across the road, and I stop because I just expect the mother to come running after. Nothing happens after a couple of minutes, so I go slowly. The deer's just right behind these bushes here, you can see him. And I have another angle on my wrist camera behind the bushes there. Never did see the mom. This is another one of those roads that abruptly ends, although I do believe there was probably warning for this one. So I figured I might as well ride my bike just right down to the beach and have myself a little smoke break. As far as I know, this is the only road accessible lake on the island, Killarney Lake, in Crippen Park, I believe it was. You have to put it on pause if you want to read any of this. If you have COVID, don't worry about it, a cougar will eat you. I was planning on putting my drone up for the lake, but there's not much here, so I just took a quick video of it. Here we are in, I think it's pronounced Cates Bay, it's spelled C-A-T-E-S. That is Finisterre Island with the house being constructed on it. And this is Enchanta Bay. A high aerial shot with the Mini just to show you a different perspective of the island and the surrounding area. Final launch of the day from Snug Cove. Again, just a different perspective. That's my Bowen Island motorcycle ride and drone video. Hope you enjoyed it. Join me for all my adventures on my YouTube channel, RSamson. See you later, everybody.